So hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you iPhone battery drain fix after iOS 14.4.1 updates. Lot of iPhone user reported to iOS 14.4.1 update after battery drain issue on my iPhone 7 Plus, also iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max. iOS 14.4.1 update after battery drain issue show on iPhone 7, but how to fix this issue? So guys, in this video I will show you tips and tricks about that, so easy to solve your problems. So guys, please follow the steps and 50% also fix battery drain issue on your iPhone and iPad. The first solution is most important. The solution is turn off the background app refresh in iPhone and iPad. So guys, please first of all open the settings in your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on general. In general you can see also background app refresh, so please tap on that. If you turn on background app refresh, so please turn off that, and easy to fix your problems. The second solution is turn off the location services in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all open the settings in your iPhone. In settings scroll down and select the privacy. In privacy you can see also first option is location service, so please tap on that. If you turn on, so please turn off location services in your iPhone and iPad, and easy to fix your problems in your iPhone and iPads. The third solution is turn off the tracking settings in your iPhone settings and iPad settings. So guys, first of all open the settings in your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on the privacy. In privacy you can see also second option is tracking. In tracking you can see also if you turn on, so please turn off the tracking in your iPhone and iPad, and easy to fix your problems. The fourth solution is update your latest iOS version. So guys, first of all open the control center and Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and iPad. Then again come back, then again open the settings. In settings scroll down and tap on general. In general you can see also second option is software update. If you any update available, so please update your software in your iPhone and iPad, and easy to fix your problems. The fifth solution is turn on the automatic brightness settings in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all open the settings. In settings you can see scroll down and tap on the display and brightness, so please tap on that. Then you can see also first option is automatic. If you turn off, so please turn on the automatic settings in your iPhone and iPad. Then scroll down, then you can see also rise to wake. If you turn on, so please turn off the rise to wake in your iPhone and iPad. Then also again option is brightness, so manually you can change brightness in your iPhone and iPad. The sixth solution is turn off the automatic app update in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all open the settings in your iPhone, then scroll down and find out the App Store. In App Store you can see also automatic app updates option, so please turn off the automatic app updates, and also automatic download options turn off in your iPhone and iPad, and easy to fix your problems. The solution 7 is low power mode turn on in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, please follow the steps. First of all open the settings in your iPhone. After scroll down and tap on the battery. In battery you can see also second option is low power mode. If you turn off, so please turn on low power mode in your iPhone and iPad, and easy to fix your problems. The solution 8 is restart your iPhone and iPads. So guys, please follow the step. First of all open the settings. In settings scroll down and tap on general. In general scroll down and last option is shutdown, so please tap on that. Then you can see also slide to power off. After 20 to 30 second wait, then again turn on your iPhone and iPad, and easy to fix your problems. The solution 9 is reset all settings in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all open the settings in your iPhone. After scroll down and tap on the general. In general you can see also second last option is reset, so please tap on that. Then you can see also first option is reset all settings, so please enter your passcodes, then again tap on the reset all settings in your iPhone and iPad. Easy to fix your problems. The solution 10 is force restart your iPhone. If you have a iPhone 7 Plus, so guys, please first of all press the home button, then also press the power on off button in same time. When Apple logo appear, then release the both button and easy to fix your problems. Sometime in your iPhone models show the overnight battery drain issue in your iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus, X, XS Max, XR, 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max. That issue fix in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all, open the control center and turn on the aeroplane mode in your iPhone and iPad overnight in your iPhone, and easy to fix your battery drain iPhone and iPad. I hope this all solution working for you. If you enable all the solutions, 50% battery drain issue fix in your iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you any query about that, so please DM me on my Instagram and also comment section in this video. Thank you so much.